Hello, all of you. CA Deepti Chheda here. How is the preparation going on? Super duper zor mein or not? This is the perfect time to study. You know, every day what you study, what you understand the concept, you write the booster notes, that consistency will take you to great results. Today's topic is in costing, we have material chapter. I always say this that material, labor, and overhead, this accounts for your 40% of your question paper. You know, more than 40 marks weightage, you can say. Of course, other chapters are there, but in types of costing like contract costing, service costing, joint product, there is choice. But these three chapters, there is a consistency. And the beautiful part is like labor always comes in question number one. Separate videos there for paper pattern weightage, you can check. But you know, there is no escape. Question number one, 5 into 4 marks, you have to attempt. So in today's topic, I'm telling you the concept of material chapter. There are no formulas to be buttified. There is no magic, but there is logic. So I'm sharing the screen right now. Pick up your booster notes book, which you have already made for other subjects and other videos, what I'm putting up consistently. And let us start how to remember to these formulas and all, so that the pen flows in exam. Calculation, you all know it, and stepwise marks are there. The mindset for costing paper I am giving you, इसको golden words में आपके notebook में लिख के रख लो, capital words में is put the things on paper. मैम क्या combos का कहाँ से question आया मालूम नहीं, पहले you write the data and the pen will flow and you will get step. It's like maths. So you write what information you are reading in the question paper, write it and you will get it. Nice. Now listen, in material chapter, it is how much material I should buy. So the answer is economic order quantity. Kitna material I should buy. If you buy more material, your carrying cost is high. Carrying means holding cost. Whole year's material, if you buy together, you will need double the go down and more wastage of material. And interest in the yearly stock what you have invested is high. Okay, if you order little as and how you require, your ordering cost is high. For every time you have to send a person, go and get 2 packets, go and get 3 packets, every now and then. And there are market risks. Sometimes it may be stock out or conditions are not suitable to reach the buyer and so on. So, economic order quantity says you should buy equal material wherein ordering cost and carrying cost are reached. Is it clear what is ordering cost? Whenever I place order, I have to get it. So conveyance and ordering cost and all. And carrying cost is my storage cost. So economic order quantity is ordered that much quantity where your ordering cost and carrying cost is least and equal at EOQ. Now, when to order? The answer we'll do it in another video which speaks on the level. कब खाना खाना है, जब lunch time है, जब भूख लगे. ना कि whenever you find something which you are tempted to eat, right or not? So in the same way, when to buy depends upon reorder level, maximum level, minimum level and all. How much to order? We are answering now. Okay. So I'm sharing the screen. Keep these booster notes with you. It was going to be helpful to you to revise one day before exam. Okay, sure. EOQ is economic order quantity. Now, what is carrying cost? I hope you are seeing my pen is moving. Carrying cost is interest, storage, all the cost. Higher the quantity you keep in your godown, higher is the carrying cost. Ordering cost. What is ordering cost? Ordering cost is transportation, the cost of placing the order, giving paper ad, looking for the best creditor and all that. Higher the quantity, lower the cost. So this has got inverse relationship. At EOQ, ordering cost and carrying cost are least also and equal also. Let us see how. Let us see diagrams. Many times you are asked in exam to draw a diagram and explain this. So on x-axis, you take quantity. On y-axis, you take cost. As you order more quantity, your ordering cost is reducing. Are you getting? Ordering cost come ho raha hai. If you order more quantity at a time, now and then you don't have to place the order and transportation and auto wala and all. As you order more quantity, your carrying cost is increasing. The point where they intersect, this is the quantity, best quantity to order, economic order quantity. And this is your least cost. You know, ordering cost and carrying cost is also called as associate cost. Yes, right? So, now I hope the diagram is clear. आप इससे ज़्यादा order करोगे, if you order here, suppose here, your carrying cost is high. If you order here, then your ordering cost is high. बार-बार थोड़ा-थोड़ा. So this is best to order. Now, EOQ. At EOQ, they say your ordering cost and carrying cost are equal also and least. Now, what is the formula for ordering cost? Listen carefully, dear students. You are getting lot size problem. Have you heard? In material chapter, lot size problems are there for 6 to 8 marks. They will be very easy for you. And you know, with discount policy and all, I'll explain all that will be very easy provided you do this. Okay, now listen. At economic order quantity, ordering cost is equal to carrying cost. Okay. Now, what is ordering cost? Ordering cost के लिए सबसे पहले I'll tell you what is A, annual demand. How much material you need, quantity. Okay, annual demand. Now O. O is ordering cost per order. Some books also call it as B. So ordering cost per order is O or B. C is the carrying cost, the cost of holding the stock per rupee per annum. Now here, if you want, you can note down this term googly as if it is given per month. Many times in the exam, the carrying cost is given per month. Then multiply it by 12 and make it as per annum. Okay. So annual demand, ordering cost, carrying cost. Now, sometimes carrying cost is also given as 2% of the purchase price. So if purchase price is 2 ka 2%. Okay, whatever. So say purchase price is 20. So 20 into 2%. That is 0.4 per unit. Write down. I hope you are able to write it per unit per annum. If you feel I am explaining fast, then pause the video till here. Look at the screen, take down notes, and then again play. Okay? A is annual demand. O or B is ordering cost per order. C is carrying cost per annum. Now, number of orders. Many times in the exam 5 marks problem में number of orders भी पूछते हैं आपको. तो 1 second. Number of orders आप कैसे करेंगे? Yeah. Number of orders is A by Q. मैम अब ये फॉर्मूला कैसे आया? You want 10,000 units and EOQ at a time you are ordering 1,000 units. So how many times you will have to place order? 10 orders. Ordering cost. A by Q. A by Q is giving you number of orders. A is annual demand. Q is lot size, 1,000. So 10 orders. And O or B is ordering cost per order. So say 10 orders and 50 per order. So 500 is your ordering cost. I don't want you to write all this. ये तो मैं ऐसे ही figure दूँगी. I will show you the next form. Clear? Now, what is carrying cost? EOQ, anytime you are holding Q in your godown, say 500 units is EOQ. Average, can I divide by 2? 500 units, okay, it will come to 10. Again, you will order. So, any times you have Q by 2 as your average stock. And average stock multiplied by carrying cost per unit per annum is your carrying cost. Now, this is not given in the material also, but this is the way formula is derived. Derivation of formula is to give you that confidence that you can make the formula on your own. Exam mein to formula malum hai to the pen will flow. Now, add EOQ. Okay, keep patience. Lot size will also be very clear by the end of the video. Add EOQ. Ordering cost is equal to carrying cost. What is ordering cost? A by Q into O. Learn हुआ या नहीं आपको? Ordering cost is A, annual by Q into O. What is carrying cost? Q by 2 into C. Average is Q by 2 into carrying cost per unit. Okay, right. Now solve this. AO by Q, QC or CQ by 2. Now take this here, 2AO and CQ square. Now Q square, 2AO and C here. Now if you want EOQ under root 2AB by C. This is the formula what you usually learn. इसको 5-star खिलाओ, KitKat खिलाओ, Eclairs खिलाओ, Dairy Milk खिलाओ. Under root 2AB by C. A is your annual demand. B is ordering cost per order. C is, I repeat, carrying cost per unit per annum. So you will get economic order quantity. And once you get this answer, see, annual demand is 2000, purchase price is given, carrying cost is 2%, holding cost 8%, interest cost. So 20 into 10%. So if it's given percentage, you can do. Now, EOQ is, yeah, 1 second. Just showing you so that now immediately after this video, if you open your material and solve 1 or 2 lot size problem, you should be able to do it. Okay. EOQ is equal to under root 2AO by C. 2 into annual demand, ordering cost per order, that is 20, and carrying cost. So EOQ is 200. Now you want 2000 units and 200 units you are buying at a time. So how many orders you will place? 10. What is the ordering cost? 200. What is the carrying cost? Q by 2. Average, if you are buying 200 units, divide by 2, 100 units will be there anytime in your godown. And what is the holding or carrying cost of 100 units too? Did you observe one thing? Write it as your booster note. These are all booster notes only, what I dictate in my running costing class. For each and every topic, we have booster notes, and booster notes are not dictated every time. As in how we learn the concept, I make students write. At EOQ, ordering cost is equal to carrying cost, and these two are also called as associate cost. Associate cost. Clear to all of you now? So with this, you can make lot size ke liye always make columns like this. Purchase cost, annual demand into purchase price, ordering cost. A by Q is number of orders into O. Carrying cost, third column. Q by 2 into C. And total cost is purchase cost plus ordering cost plus carrying cost. Okay. Now, observe for yourself. If you buy 200 units, your ordering and carrying cost is same. If you buy 1000 units, more than 200 units, your ordering cost is just 40. It's low, but carrying cost is high. And so total cost is high. If you buy just 50 units, less than EOQ, less than EOQ. Your ordering cost is high now because bar you will have to buy 50 units, and your carrying cost will be low because you just have 50 units in your godown. But still, so I hope you understand inverse relation. So if they give you lot size problem, how many columns you will make, dear students? Purchase cost, ordering cost, carrying cost, total cost. And which lot size you will select? Lot size where cost is least. Remember carefully, when they give you lot size, EOQ is not there many times in the lot size. So there are other items in the lot size. Whatever is least, you can go for. Purchase cost, ordering cost, carrying cost, whichever is least, go for that. 4,000 or 18,000. So buy this. Okay. Now very important is, ma'am, discount. You are buying in 4,000 units. If you agree to buy 18,000 units at a time, we will give you discount. Suppose. So in that case, discount you can make separate column, or you can reduce the purchase cost. I think I must have done option 2. You can reduce the purchase cost. Are you getting what I am saying? So your decision will come correct. Purchase cost here is 6480. Here purchase cost is 6480 minus 64,000 because they gave you bulk discount because you are buying instead of 4,000, 18,000. Dear students, this is a concept video. You understand the concept and start solving the problems. If you have any doubt, 3 detailed videos are there. Watch the videos by playlist. Costing, taxation, accounts. And in costing also, you have the videos, separate playlist for material chapter where I have put routine class, all the videos for material chapter. So just see in the description box the link for the YouTube. You can connect with us through Telegram group also. All the links are given below the video. So practice the problem, but in this video, at least the format should be clear to you. If they give you lot size problem, exam mein pen flow hona hai, lot size, purchase cost, ordering cost, carrying cost, discount received. If you want, you prepare a separate column. Otherwise, you can minus and you will get the answer. How was this logical magic? Did you understand how EOQ is derived? What is number of orders? Why did I take Q by 2? You know, those why are answered if the concept is clear. If you then solve the problems, it will be very clear. I hope you are getting all the concepts, and still if you have doubt, most welcome. Put it in the comment below. I will clear it, and you can connect with us through our mail IDs, through our Telegram group. And let me tell you one more bonus is there because you're watching this video till the end, and that is download Concept Classes app in the link below. And there I have added most important theory questions for costing and FM PDF. You can download, take a print, because costing may at least 25 marks. So theory questions are there, especially from the chapter number 1. Distinguish between cost reduction, cost control. Or they'll give you types of costing and they'll ask you the cost per unit and all. Okay. And if you are liking these concept clarity videos, then hit the notification so that whenever we take these live sessions, you will get a notification and stay connected with us. Thank you so much for watching this video till end. Right? All the best to all of you. जम के पढ़ाई करो, बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट लेके आओगे आप लोग. राइट? साइनिंग ऑफ नाउ. CA दीप्ति छेड़ा हियर. बाय बाय.